What's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build a powerhouse gaming PC without breaking the bank, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the best $2,500 gaming PC build for 2024. Whether you're into ultra settings, 4K gaming, or just want to future-proof your rig, this build is going to check all the boxes. Let's get into it. Starting with the heart of any PC, the CPU for this build, we're going with the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D. Why? Because this chip is an absolute beast in gaming performance, especially in 2024. With its 8 cores and 16 threads, it's built for high-end gaming and multitasking. Plus, the 3D V-Cache gives it that extra edge when it comes to gaming performance, particularly in titles that rely on high cache bandwidth. And at around $450, this CPU offers unbeatable value for the price, giving us amazing FPS in even the most demanding games. Next up, the graphics card, probably the most important part of your gaming experience. For this build, we're going with the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. This card is the perfect sweet spot for high performance for 1040p or 4K, and also 8K gaming in 2024. With 24GB of GDDR6 RAM, ray tracing, and FSR3, you're set for buttery smooth gameplay and stunning visuals. At around $1,150, the RX 7900 XTX gives you incredible performance without stepping up to the much pricier 4080 or 4090. It's a perfect balance of power and price for this $2,500 build. Now, let's talk about the motherboard. For this build, we're going with the MSI Magby 650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. This is a fantastic option for Ryzen 7000 series CPUs, offering great features like PCIe 5.0, Wi-Fi 6E, and ample USB ports. It's built solid and offers great future-proofing potential. Coming in at around $180, it's not the cheapest motherboard out there, but for the price, it's well worth it, offering excellent value and compatibility. For RAM, we're going with Corsair Vengeance DDR5 32GB at 6000 MHz. DDR5 is the future, and it's quickly becoming the standard in 2024. This kit gives you a good balance between speed and capacity, which is crucial for gaming, video editing, and streaming. At about $160, this is the perfect amount of RAM for gaming at high settings and future-proofing your build for years to come. Now onto storage. We've got a Samsung 980 Pro 1TB NVMe SSD for lightning-fast load times and snappy performance. This SSD utilizes PCIe Gen 4.0 for super-fast read and write speeds, so your games will load in seconds and you won't be waiting around for anything. And at around $100, this SSD is a solid choice for both performance and capacity, with room for your OS, a few AAA titles, and any other files you need to store. For power, we're going with the 850-watt Corsair RM850X 80 Plus Gold PSU. It's fully modular, which helps with cable management, and provides plenty of power for this build. Whether you're overclocking or adding extra components down the line, 850 watts will keep you covered. At around $120, it's a great investment for clean power delivery and longevity. For the case, we're going with the XTX 510 Elite. It's sleek, minimalist, and has a full tempered glass front and side panel to show off your components. It also has great airflow and cable management, which makes building this PC a breeze. At around $100, it's not the cheapest, but the design and features are worth it. Plus, it comes with 2 RGB fans to add some extra flair to your setup. Finally, cooling. The Corsair IQ-H100i Elite Capellix to 40 mAh cooler is an excellent choice for keeping the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D cool, especially if you plan on overclocking. It's quiet, efficient, and looks awesome with its RGB lights. At $150, it's a solid investment for temperature control and aesthetics. So there you have it, the best $2,500 gaming PC build for 2024, an absolute beast for 1440p and 4K gaming, plus all the future-proofing you need. Let me know in the comments if you'd swap out any parts or if you have any questions about the build. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more PC build guides, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.